So we'll discuss the difference between Python and C language. Basically, we won't compare C with Python, but most of the learners are in a doubt whether to go with C or Python at the beginning stage. And what generally we suggest is go with C first and then Python. C is basically meant for hardware applications, which is developed in 1970s, whereas Python is developed in late 1980s. It's a general purpose language. C is a procedure oriented programming environment. C follows procedure oriented programming environment. Now, we use the term modular programming. If there is a big program, you divide the big program into small modules, execute them separately, and later you can combine. In 1970s, we don't have the term object-oriented programming environment. C is procedure-oriented programming language, whereas Python is an object-oriented programming language. We'll discuss what exactly is an object-oriented programming sessions in detail later. If you are having a knowledge of C++ and Java, it will be okay. Otherwise, we'll be discussing in another session. In procedure oriented programming, we always focus on functions, and pointers are available in C language. Pointers are not available in Python. Even we don't have structures in Python. Instead, we use the term classes and objects. And C is compiled, Python is an interpreted language. We have limited number of built-in functions in C language, and we have large library of built-in functions available in Python. And code execution is faster than Python and C. And why is it so? As it is an interpreted language, it's little bit slower. And Python has its own garbage collection. It has own memory management system, an automatic memory management system, garbage collection. In Java, we use GC, the term GC, the method GC for garbage collection. And we have, as we know, we have a limited number of functions. Implementing data structures requires the functions to be explicitly defined in C language, whereas in Python, implementing data structures with built-in functions, as we have a large number of built-in functions available in Python, the data structures can be implemented with built-in functions only. Declaration of variables is must in C language, whereas no need of declaring any data type for any particular variable in Python. And program syntax is little bit harder than Python. And Python programs are easier to read, write, and understand, as we have less code. We need less code to write any particular program in Python once you compare with C language. An inline assignment is allowed in C language, whereas it is not allowed in Python. Regarding that inline assignment, I will give you a simple example. Look at the examples which I specified there. In C, we need to declare the variables at the beginning, like int a. A is equal to 5, semicolon is an assignment statement. Int a semicolon is a declaration statement. We don't need any explicit type declaration in Python. That is the biggest advantage for any beginner. And all the statements ends with semicolon in C language, and we don't use the term semicolon here. Look at the string assignment. A is equal to hello, which is not allowed. We cannot assign a string to a variable in C language, whereas anything is allowed. As we don't have any data type declaration in Python, a is equal to 5, a is equal to hello within double quotations is a string, and a is equal to 1.3 are valid statements. Look at the program, a simple program to print join row_tract, a message. We need to define header file, hash include stdio.h, and program execution in C begins with main, and every statement ends with semicolon, and all the statements must be placed within braces. Look at the Python code. Print join row_tract within double quotations, or you can use even parentheses, brackets. And why 2 here? And Python 2.x and Python 3.x. We have various versions in Python. We'll be discussing in detail what is the basic difference between Python 2.x and Python 3.x in detail. I'll give you in another session. Look at the code part. No header files, no program execution begins with main, as Python is an interpreted language. Statement ends with semicolon, put the statements within braces. They are not there in Python. Instead, following indentation is very important while doing things in Python, which we'll be discussing in detail later. Look at the assignment statement. Y is equal to x plus 10. Y is equal to x plus 10 is a valid statement, but okay, just imagine y is equal to x plus 10 gets you an error because x is not defined. Inline assignment, look at the second one. Y is equal to, within brackets, x is equal to 3 plus 10 is invalid in Python. Inline assignment like x is equal to 3 is invalid in Python. Instead, I can give it statement like x is equal to 3, y is equal to x plus 10, and print y is a valid things. Whereas this inline is allowed in C language. Look at the program on the right hand side. Int x comma y semicolon y is equal to x is equal to 3 plus 10 is allowed in C language. Then how do you do this in Python? We have colon equal to. Look at the last one. Y is equal to x colon equal to 3 plus 10. Print y is valid in Python. There are many variations like this in programming environment. Still, why people prefer C language? Because you try to learn everything in C. C is a base programming language. The way how you use conditional statements like if else, if ladder, switch case, and loops like while, do while, and for, and the concept of arrays, functions are almost similar in C++ and Java. With slight variations, they are all available in Python. Of course, few are not available, which we will be discussing in detail in the coming sessions. So, focus on conditional statements. If you are familiar with C language, you just refer conditional statements in C, go to, break, loops, arrays, functions before coming to Python.